Hi guys, this is Miles and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe of ginisang okra with tuna and oyster sauce. Gisa or ginisa is a Filipino word that simply means stir fry. It is cooking meat or vegetables with a small amount of cooking oil, onions, and garlic. What we will have is also another installment of our Delata series, and today we will feature century tuna hot and spicy. Let's start with heating our pan with cooking oil, and we will start sauteing our onions. For those who don't like garlic, yes, you cannot put garlic. After the onions are cooked, we will now add a 150-gram can of century tuna hot and spicy. We will just give this a quick stir, and then after, we will add 1 piece of Knorr cubes. You can use fish or shrimp. That's up to you, but I'm using fish flavor here. That's to highlight the flavor of fish, which is the main ingredient of this dish. After the cubes is dissolved, we will now add our okra. Some people don't like okra because it's a bit slimy, but whatever the reasons are, I just simply love this vegetable. And now we will season this with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. We will give this another stir, and then we will cover this and simmer for 15 minutes or until our okra is cooked. After 15 minutes, we will now add a pocket of oyster sauce. This is about 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Here in the Philippines, we have individual packs of like anything that you might need in the kitchen, from your soy sauce, vinegar, cooking oil, and this oyster sauce. It's like everything here just comes in handy. We are almost done, but before that, we will season this with ground black pepper, about half a teaspoon. And then if we want the sauce to be a little thick, we can add cornstarch slurry. That's 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in 1/2 cup of water. So there you have it. Our ginisang okra with tuna and oyster sauce is ready to serve. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And also don't forget to click the notification button for your updates. So until my next upload, thanks for watching. Bye!